50-year-old man held trying to make an illegal gun sale in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk. And when we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk. And we'll be right back with the details. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk, where you get the best and credible information as it relates to the news report. So, a 50-year-old man was arrested and charged by the Constant Spring Police with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition and attempting to sell an illegal firearm without a license on Mannings Hill Road in Kingston 8 on Friday, January 22. Reports are that about 9 a.m., lawmen were on operation when they saw a man identified as Harris Kildare, a woodworker of New River District, Stony Hill, St. Andrew. He was driving a Toyota Axiom motor car along the roadway. He was signaled to stop by the police and he complied. The police then accosted him and a search followed and the weapon was found. So the police search subsequently yielded two firearms, one being a 9mm Beretta Parabellum pistol, one 9mm Trabazam Cararandai pistol, two magazine 36 rounds of ammunition as well was also recovered from this individual. He was subsequently arrested and charged and his court date is being finalized by the local authorities. It's very sad to see what is going on in our world and our country in general as it relates to crime and violence which involve the gun being used as a mean of opting out of a situation, as a means of settling differences between people. Our young people have fallen by the wayside based on what I've seen, and the people that they should be looking up to, they are no better. But what is going on in our country is a situation that is spiraling out of control, and it's one of those situations that we looked on many occasions, and I've stated that life has changed significantly since I was growing up, because when I was growing up back in the days, there are some things that kids would be doing and you will enjoy your childhood. Now these people that are growing in this current era and diaspora right across the world, they're living a different type of life and they're preying life in a different manner, which is very sad. Gone are the days when people would just talk over any issue that they have. Now they will resort to using a gun just in order to settle that differences that they have with you. What a sad situation, such an alarming rate of crime and violence which involve the use of the firearm. And even though the authorities are trying to put a dent in the illicit trade for guns and drugs and the whole entire mayhem of crime and violence reaping havoc on many innocent individuals, it's still gonna be an issue that will be around maybe for the rest of our life until some real strict measures are implemented in order to curtail the use of illegal weapons in our country. Well, this is where I'm going to leave this story here for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 7 TV. Let's talk. Peace out and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, wherever you are watching. Much love. Thanks always.